My name is Sebastian. I come from the south of France and I come with my daily car GT3.
Been here 3 times, and every time I've been here has been driving with the same car, with this GT3 RS.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm here with the GT3 RS, and I'm here to spend the best day on Nordschleife with the fast cars and the Manthey-Racing support.
Hey guys, it's me, Daniel, and I'm here at the Manthey Track Day with my 991 Mark II GT3 MR.
The GT3 is a perfect car for daily car and drive on track, but with the MR package, it's just magic.
I've had my car modified in terms of rear diffuser from the GT3R, a change of the suspension to a KW.
Well, which part of my car have been modified? It's the full MR package for the GT3, and in my opinion the biggest part is the suspension system. The KW Club Sport, the biggest part which looks the best is I think the rims, so it looks very nice.
I have this car because it's the best way how to go fast. It's the cheapest way, it's almost prepared car for the Nordschleife, so it's good.
Why did I choose Manthey? I think this is almost no question if you're driving a Porsche, because in my opinion there is just Manthey. They have so much experience, so much know-how from the racetrack, and
The number one in terms of knowledge within the GT3 and this type of car. So I chose them, and I've experienced a huge service and a very, very high knowledgeability about these cars, which gives you a lot of comfort.
I choose Manthey-Racing because they are best on Nordschleife.
in my opinion there's just one brand regarding Porsche, it's Manthey-Racing.
Had a really good couple of days out on track with Manthey. Thanks for the invitation, and I can't wait for the next one next year.
J'ai fait plus de 25 tours aujourd'hui, la journée était vraiment superbe et je remercie encore Manthey.
I had a great 2 days with Manthey-Racing. I did about 50 laps. Really looking forward to come in October and maybe kick some 991 ass with my 997.
Ich habe 2 geile Tage gehabt mit Manthey-Racing. Es war wie immer cool, toll, 25 geile Runden, relativ wenig Verkehr, besser geht's nicht.